The name of the book is Age of Empathy. Very interesting book, Age of Empathy by Franz D. Wall. Franz D. Wall Wall. He's a foreign author. Um, so I'm going to share one big idea. Heard the phrase called acts of kindness. Okay, I'm going to talk about this phrase in detail called acts of kindness, and I'm not going to explain the idea as it is written by the author in the book, but I'm going to illustrate it through my own anecdote, something an event that happened with me few months ago. So I was a tea addict, not anymore, but I used to have 2 to 3 cups of tea every day. uh, and sometimes when I don't have milk or chai patti at home, I used to go to the chai tapri near my house. And so when I used to visit the chai tapri, there was one small little girl of 8 9 years old used to sell tissue papers and masks. And so we used to exchange smiles. Couple of times I also bought the mask from her, and gradually our friendship grew. So we started talking. I learned that she goes to night school. Her mom sells something else two buildings away from there. And uh, and then whenever I used to stand there and have a cup of tea, she used to come and pull my pant, saying that, I mean, requesting me something. And I used to tell the tea vendor, the tea seller, through some signs that please offer one cup of tea to this girl as well. And of course I used to pay for that cup of tea. And this happened many times, but something very different happened uh, 2 weeks ago. Again, I went there. I was having my tea. She came. Her name is Chandni, and she pulled my pant. And this time, instead of just requesting the tea vendor to hand over the cup of tea, I went to him, took the cup of tea, and handed it over to her myself. And that brought a big change in my feelings. It remained for a longer time in me. I mean, I felt good about it. I automatically recollected this episode before I went to bed that night. And I understood why the phrase acts of kindness and not just kindness. So we have this common belief that by giving away money will help us gain happiness. Okay, that is a good thing, of course. But acts of kindness means there should be some physical act of kindness, some physical action of giving, which will give you a long lasting happiness, right? And that was the reason why I felt much better by actually giving that cup of tea to her. Yeah, and then she looked at me, gave a smile. I feel the difference between just paying for the cup of tea and paying and giving it over to her by myself. No wonder why the phrase is called as acts of kindness.